Welcome to Stick Nation, where we explain complex topics in a simple and fun way. If you love learning with stick animations, don't forget to subscribe. Have you ever wondered how people make money from the stock market? Or maybe you want to invest, but don't know where to start? Well, don't worry. In the next few minutes, you'll understand everything you need to know. Super simple and easy. The stock market is like a giant bazaar, but instead of vegetables and gadgets, people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a company's stock, you become a part owner of that company. Imagine a company wants to grow but needs money. Instead of taking a loan, it sells shares to the public in something called an IPO, initial public offering. This process happens in the primary market, where companies sell their shares for the first time. But what if you missed the IPO? Don't worry. You can still buy shares in the secondary market. In the secondary market, you're not buying shares from the company, but from other investors. This is where most trading happens, like buying and selling on the NSE, National Stock Exchange, or BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. A stock price fluctuates as people trade. Here, stock prices go up and down based on demand, company performance, and market news. You can earn money in two ways. Capital appreciation. When stock prices go up, you make a profit by selling at a higher price. But remember, stock prices can go down too. Dividends. Some companies share their profits with investors regularly. Stock prices don't always go up. That's why smart investors follow these three golden rules. 1. Do your research. Don't buy random stocks. Learn about the company first. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock. Spread your risk. 3. Think long-term. The stock market rewards patience. Stay invested for years, not days. Want to start investing in India? Follow these simple steps. 1. Open a demat and trading account with a broker like Zerodha, Upstocks, or Grow. 2. Add money to your account. 3. Buy your first stock after research. The stock market has two styles. 1. Investing, buying stocks for the long term, months or years. 2. Trading, buying and selling frequently for short-term profits, minutes, hours, or days. Trading is risky for beginners, so start with investing. And that's it. Now you understand the basics of the stock market, including the primary and secondary market. Want to learn more in a fun and simple way? Hit the like button, subscribe to Stick Nation, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.